Hello, today I'm going to talk about worry dolls in a box. So, this is amazing. Worry dolls come from a legend in the Highland Indian villages in Guatemala. And I felt like my boyfriend really needed these dolls, so as a gesture for his birthday, I got him a box of them. And I use them too. He's been pretty stressed out, and I like to give him a full birthday week so that he gets 7 gifts, and this was one of them. I learned about worry dolls when I was a kid. I thought it was a nice gesture. The box itself is very lightweight and yellow, obviously. It's sturdy. So it won't just collapse, but it's also not something you can crush or step on because then it will break, obviously. It's not invincible. It has red and green paint on it, and inside you get this legend, and let me read what it says here. So, Guatemalan worry dolls, according to the legend, Guatemalan children tell one worry to each doll, and when they go to bed at night, they would place the dolls under their pillow in the morning. The dolls have taken all worries away. So it's a nice little legend, and this is how it comes. And then you have 6 worry dolls here, and they're just cute little things. As you can see, they're not like perfect. They each have their own characteristics to them, and I think they're really cute. So the legend is printed on this piece of paper here that you get. It's folded up in the box, and the worry dolls are each about 1/2 inch in size. So different, places will sell different size worry dolls, but that's the average size of these ones. They're symbolic, so they aren't necessarily made in the most refined or beautiful way. You can see they look kind of sloppy, but that's kind of what they're all about. It's more about the symbol and what they represent. I think it really adds to the effect, and I think it's just a really nice idea. So basically, you clear your mind before you go to bed, and then you list your worries. So for example, you can take this one and say, I'm worried about not passing my driver's test tomorrow, and put that there under the pillow or back in the box. I actually usually put mine back in the box. This one could be, I'm worried about my taxes and not filing them in time. I'm worried that my kid is failing school. These don't all apply to me because, I do pay taxes, but this I could say, I'm worried my friend won't like their birthday gift. This one, I'm worried because I'm taking a plane trip and I'm afraid of flying. And this one, I could say, I am nervous about seeing my parents over the weekend for Thanksgiving, things like that, right? So you put them into this box, you close it up, and then you put it under your pillow. And it just slides down here, but I have one hand, so it's a little bit of a issue. But yeah, so each doll is very unique. I like that about them. They're all very different, and they're very sweet. And when I was a little girl, I would actually name each one of them. I'm not going to do that right now. I haven't actually thought about their names yet. And he definitely prefers to keep them next to his bed so he can use them at night. He could easily travel with them. I think this is nice for kids, but be careful because the dolls can be a choking hazard. So if they're at that age where everything is food and they want to eat everything, then just don't give them these. It does come in this plastic bag when you get it, and so I like that as well. These particular worry dolls are by Maya Traditions and Wholesale Business, and they're based in Guatemala and San Francisco. So they come from both. Basically, they're based out of both. They work with Maya indigenous weavers to create these products, and for over 10 years now. And in doing so, they support weaving groups and small families with income and education and health resources. So buying from them not only benefits your stress, but it also helps out these communities. And that seems like a win-win to me. This may seem childish, but it is an endearing gift, and it is important to stay open-minded and appreciate these traditions. And it's simply just a great gift idea. It's very sweet. No matter what age you are or how old you are, it's thoughtful, and I would definitely look into getting a few of these if you're stressed out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are interested in this and that you give them a try.